Unlock the secret to generating leads from non-listed properties with a killer open house strategy powered by Kvcore. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section. This is your command center. Next, create a dedicated landing page for your open house. Click on Landing Pages and then Add Page, and be sure to include the address, date, time, and compelling photos of the property. Think of this as your digital flyer. Crucially, add a lead capture form asking for name, email, and phone number. Offer something valuable in exchange, like a list of neighborhood amenities or a market report. This is key to capturing visitor information. Now, head over to the Smart Campaigns section. We're going to create a targeted ad campaign to promote your open house. Define your target audience, focusing on demographics and interests relevant to potential homebuyers in the area. Kvcore allows you to hyper-target your ideal client. Choose your ad placements, selecting platforms like Facebook and Google to maximize reach and engagement. After the open house, import your captured leads into Kvcore and tag them appropriately, like open house visitor address. This allows for targeted follow-up. Finally, leverage Kvcore's email marketing tools to nurture these leads. Send personalized follow-up emails with additional property information, neighborhood insights, or even invitations to similar open houses. Consistent communication is the name of the game.